The two-seater electric bike with a 48V 20AH, 960Wh, large removable battery and a 1300W peak motor represents an impressive blend of power, efficiency, and convenience, designed for riders who value both performance and practical features. This review aims to unpack the various aspects of this electric bike, from its design and build quality to performance, usability, and overall value for money. Design and build quality. The first impression of the bike is striking. It features a modern aesthetic that blends sporty and functional elements. The frame is constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, which not only reduces the overall weight of the bike but also contributes to its durability. The bike's design accommodates two riders comfortably, making it a great option for couples or friends looking to share the experience of electric biking. The step-through frame makes mounting and dismounting effortless, particularly for those who might struggle with traditional bike designs. The bike is equipped with wide, puncture-resistant tires that provide excellent traction and stability, whether you're cruising on city streets or tackling rougher terrain. The suspension system is another highlight, absorbing shocks effectively and ensuring a smooth ride, even on bumpy paths. The inclusion of ergonomic grips and a padded seat enhances the overall riding experience, making longer journeys enjoyable rather than cumbersome. Performance. At the heart of this electric bike is the robust 1300W peak motor, which delivers impressive power and acceleration. Whether you're navigating uphill climbs or accelerating from a stop, the motor provides a seamless boost that simplifies your ride. The maximum speed can reach up to 28 miles per hour, making it competitive with many e-bikes on the market. This performance is particularly beneficial for those who need to commute longer distances or tackle challenging routes regularly. The bike's 48V 20AH, 960Wh, removable battery is a standout feature, offering an impressive range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and how much assistance you utilize. The ability to remove the battery allows for convenient charging either at home or in the office, eliminating the hassle of bringing the entire bike indoors. Charging time is around 6 to 8 hours, which is reasonable given the battery's capacity. Usability and features. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its user-friendly interface. The digital display located on the handlebars provides essential information, such as speed, battery level, distance traveled, and the level of pedal assist. This allows riders to monitor their performance easily and adjust their riding style accordingly. The bike also comes with multiple pedal assist modes, allowing users to choose the level of assistance they require, whether they want a workout or a leisurely ride. The bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power in various weather conditions. The braking system is responsive, giving riders confidence when navigating busy streets or steep descents. Additionally, integrated LED lights improve safety during nighttime rides, enhancing visibility for both the rider and others on the road. Overall value. Considering the features and performance, the two-seater electric bike offers excellent value for its price. The combination of a powerful motor, extensive range, and thoughtful design makes it suitable for a wide range of riders, from casual users to more serious cyclists. The ability to accommodate two people is a significant advantage, especially for those who enjoy riding with a partner or friend. However, it's important to note that with all its benefits, the bike does come with some weight due to its robust construction and battery system. While this may not be a concern for many, potential buyers should consider whether they are comfortable maneuvering a heavier bike, especially when it comes to parking or transporting it. Conclusion and summary: the two-seater electric bike. With a 48V 20AH large removable battery and a 1300W peak motor is an exceptional choice for anyone in the market for a reliable, powerful, and versatile electric bike. Its thoughtful design, impressive performance, and user-friendly features make it a standout option in the ever-expanding e-bike